Welcome back, guys. Part number 2 of how to start a remote cleaning business. So let's go. Step number 2, planning and building your business foundation. What does that include? First, we're going to get our business name, our business phone number, our business email, and our business domain in order. How do you do that? It's fairly simple. When you are naming your business, your business needs to do 3 things. I like to say the 3 W's. Who you are, what you do, and where you do it. Very SEO friendly. Okay. Also, we want to get our business phone number, our business email, because we're not doing Gmail, we're not doing Hotmail, we're not doing Yahoo for our business. We are building a 6-figure business or a multi-million-dollar business. So we're going to operate as such. Okay. So keep that in mind. Also, we're going to get our business insurance in place. It's very simple to set up. You can go to Progressive, State Farm, any insurance company you choose to go through, but you definitely need to get business insurance for your business. We are going to draft our contracts for our employees or our contractors that we are going to be using to do all of the work for us. We are going to determine our services. We're going to establish our pricing based off of step number 1, based off of our research from step number 1. Okay. We are also going to register our business. Are you going to have an LLC, sole proprietorship, S Corp, C Corp, whatever you choose? This is the stage that you need to do that. Get your business registered. Okay. Also, we are going to get our EIN number, our employee identification number. How do you get that, Tiffany? You go to irs.gov. Again, that is irs.gov. It is absolutely free. Do not let anyone trick you into thinking that you need to pay them to do that for you, because you don't. Okay. Go to irs.gov and get your business registered for its EIN number. Thank me later. The very last thing we want to do is go to a bank or credit union and get our business bank accounts. Say it with me. Business bank account. Why is that necessary? Because like I stated, we are building a 6-figure or a multi-million-dollar company. So we're not doing Zelle. We're not doing Cash App. We're not doing Venmo. We are operating as a corporation, a legitimate corporation. Okay. So get your business bank account so you can accept payment from your clients, and you can also pay your cleaners or your contractors through direct deposit, through a company check. However, as long as it's not Cash App or Venmo or anything like that. Okay. So that's step number 2. Go ahead and make sure you drop some comments and save this for later. And if you're ready for step number 3, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.